Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, a volatile session here to close out the week, folks. We are seeing some volatility. The news breaking overnight that the President and the First Lady potentially might have COVID-19, and with that, some intraday volatility here in the SPX and in the markets in general. SPX well off the lows, though. I can tell you, certainly we're seeing it fight back here midday, down about 0.5%, and with that, the VIX well off the highs. 29.90 was the high print this morning in the VIX, currently around 27.70. And I want to point out, when you look at the futures market, there's some price action there. The roll market has narrowed to $1.05 today, in from $1.80 yesterday. So in 75 cents between the October future and the November future, meaning the October future has been bid up higher than November future today. Looking at the term structure, still steepening here today, as we're seeing again November futures holding up relative to December and the back month futures going into early next year. So a steepening of the curve from November into early next year. VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 104. Now that's coming off the lower bound of 96 on Wednesday, which is the lowest print for the VVIX in 7 months. 110 was the high today. That's a 1 week high. Currently around 104, elevated, but again at the lower end of the range for the VVIX over the last several months. And we look at the action in the VIX options today, some 1x2s on the put side. October and December put 1x2s, at and out of the money put 1x2s. We're seeing those go up today. And on the call side, October 37.5, 42 call spread went up 10,000 times as well. Looking at next week, we got some news items that could move the market. Certainly the storyline around the COVID-19 situation with the President and the First Lady will continue to drive volatility expectations. Also, ISM non-manufacturing number, again, U.S. Economy, more of a service-oriented economy. I think that's a big number next week. FOMC minutes as well, and the stimulus storyline is another thing that the market's going to have to contend with. So again, I expect volatility expectations to remain elevated as we move into the second week of October.